am the oldest daughter of LaVoy Finicum, who was shot and killed in the state of Oregon in 2016 at the behest of a beholden, weaponized federal government. And recently, the new director of FBI issued an award to that very team who took the life of my dad and denied him the right of due process, which is the Americanist ideal. And I found out about this through a text thread with my siblings, the very same way that we communicated when we all discovered when he lost his life. Trying to make sense of it and how we were going to respond to this new development in our story.
We took to make a citation, to give them the medal.
That's a hard one. I think it boils down to self-aggrandizement. They have to elevate themselves and make themselves legitimize their actions. And I don't know any other way to articulate the why behind that corrupt behavior. I don't know how better else to answer that without going into feelings and expressions of complaining about and demonizing them. And that's not my intention, because my intention is to seek the truth and transparency. And we sought for that in the court of law and were denied that opportunity for mere technicalities. Our ask is for the false statements, Director Patel, just correct them. Taking accountability for a mistake that was made, for false characterization of an individual, the American people will respect that. They will see, oh, they're course correcting, they're fixing, they're changing, they're taking responsibility for something that was done wrong. That is what builds trust, not hiding and continuing to manipulate and sweep it under the rug. So the bare minimum is that. And if we want to ask for more, I have it here. This is a good one. Clarification on the legal grounds of the label domestic terrorist that my father was labeled with. And we discovered through court findings on other people's trials that this was a falsified threat assessment. So you have to wonder, it's been almost 10 years since this horrific event took place where our father and our husband was taken from us. And we have tried to have it brought to trial, and we wonder, what is the why 9 years later? And it's interesting to us, and what is the real issue is the blatant falsehoods, the outright lies, the continued manipulation of the narrative, demonizing the character of my father, my mom's husband, and we take issue with the outright lies and just seek for truth and transparency.